I want to reveal the product that made us over £300,000 on Amazon. And I don't just want to reveal the product to you, I want to tell you how we found the product, how we found the supplier, our exact profit margins, how much it cost, basically all the juicy information that businesses usually keep quiet. I'm just going to lay it all out. I'm going to tell you everything. Well, firstly, you could say this video took me years and years and years to make, because it kind of did. I mean, I wouldn't be able to make this video without creating the business. So, because this video took me so many years to make, please hit that like button, and if you're feeling really generous, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so that you know when I bring out new videos. But most importantly, hit that like button, and yeah, let's get cracking on with the video. Well, let's start with the proof side of things, because obviously everyone likes to see a bit of proof to back up what I'm saying in this video. So here are some screenshots of our actual sales. I would love to take you into our account, but unfortunately Amazon have actually changed the way they do reporting, and they only let me go back 2 years, which is counterproductive because we started this business in 2015, so there is no point in me showing you numbers from November 2018 to now, because in order to work out this full sum, we've got to go way back to 2015. Now, of course, this isn't profit. I don't want to be one of those people that says, oh, look how much money I made, because obviously that's not true. £300,000 was revenue, and we work around a 40% profit margin. So that equals around £120,000 in profit, which I think is actually pretty decent. In fact, really good for one product on Amazon. I mean, you times that by 5 or 6 products and we're making a serious amount of money. And this isn't our only product. That's just how much money we made from this product. So quite crazy. Well, now let's actually discuss what the product is, because I know most of you have actually come for that. Well, this is the product, and you probably have absolutely no idea what this is. This is a knee brace, and I feel kind of sad opening this really, because this is a limited edition, first edition knee brace. This is one of the first ones we've sold, because we've changed it quite drastically since. And this, I mean, this could be worth millions. It could be in museums. But like, it's a sad day to open this. Ugh, who am I kidding? This isn't a Pokemon card. This is a bloody knee brace. No one cares. This is literally a knee brace. This is our first ever product, and it's very simple. It's a knee brace basically for arthritis or sports injuries, any knee health issues really. And yeah, pretty cool. This is our first ever logo. Fancy stuff really. But yeah, this is our first product. It's a decent product. It's not crazy good, but I'm gonna talk a bit more about it in a second and actually explain to you why we found this product, why we decided a knee brace. But before I tell you why we decided a knee brace, I want to tell you what we did. So after about 6 months of getting sales, getting reviews, good and bad, we sent this product to two professionals, a sports therapist and a physiotherapist. So 2 people who really knew what they were doing when it comes to knee health. And we sent them this, and what they did is they basically told us everything wrong with it. They told us everything we had to improve, everything we should change, and that is where Knee Brace 2.0 was born. This baby is gorgeous. This is the nicest looking knee brace ever. And what we did is we were both quite arty. We spoke to suppliers and we actually worked out a product with some features that no one else actually had, like our own features. Everything went to the drawing board and created this. Now you'll find a lot of people have actually copied us on Amazon since, which is kind of sad, but I'm actually happy because we were able to set up that trend, and this is better for people's health. So the main reason we did it is because you're going to have a see. Firstly, the Velcro in this is a lot stronger, so it stays on your knee. But this has a lot better features than this one. This has got this super cool gripping. Oh, it's just genius. It's basically rocket science. I mean, it's got gripping over here, so it grips your knee, right? I don't know if you can see it on camera, but you'll see it in the close-ups. This doesn't have any gripping, nothing. This is just one thin material of neoprene. No moisture wicking, good for sweat. This has got all the holes. It's got double layer of neoprene, so you've got, it's a lot less, it gets a lot less sweaty. It's much better for smell. It gets a lot less smelly as well. And you've got these two coils over here which actually help you keep the shape and keep it all together. And it's just, and the Velcro, like this was this crappy Velcro and this is like proper solid Velcro. This is a beauty. This is pure brilliance in knee brace form. I feel like I'm talking about the next iPhone or something, but this is literally just a knee brace. But I think it's really cool, and that's a very important factor. You've got to be passionate about your product on Amazon. You've really got to believe in it, and you've got to try as hard as you can to sell it. But anyways, this was version 2. So let's discuss how I actually found, or how we actually went and found knee braces. Why did we start selling knee braces? What was special about knee braces? So it all started with us just browsing Amazon's bestsellers just to see what products sell the best. And after we did that, we went on to the random key method. And that's when we literally put in a random keys into our keyboard. We see what Amazon suggests in the top suggestion, and those show that they are the most popular products. And that is basically how we found knee braces. And after we did that, we did a lot more digging. We went into people's individual products. We wanted to see the BSRs, which is the bestseller ranking or the bestseller rating, depending on who you ask. We also wanted to see how good their listings were, the competition's listings, I should say, how good the images, the description, just the general quality of their listing. And then we also wanted to see how many reviews they had, because this allowed us to kind of see the competition, the demand, and, you know, if this product would you know, be popular, would be able to sell, because that's at the end of the day what we wanted to do. So after seeing that this product had so much potential, we decided we're going to try start selling it. And just to give you a bit of a time frame, finding this product took us a month. That is a long time of just bashing keys in and looking at other products on Amazon. A month. So the reason I'm telling you how long it took is because I don't want you to think overnight you can find a successful product and you can just start making money on Amazon. It takes a long time to create a legitimate business like this, but it does pay off eventually. So the next step for us was actually finding a supplier, and this was really exciting. So many people get so nervous talking to people in China or on Alibaba trying to get a product, and actually it was a really exciting part of this whole journey. So we ended up speaking to around 20-25 suppliers. I can't remember the exact number because it was a long time ago. What I do remember is on our Skype we had so many suppliers just constantly messaging us, in constant negotiations with everyone. But we eventually picked a supplier and we ordered 100 units. Just 100. It's actually crazy to think. Oh, wow. It brings back good memories. But we ordered 100 units, which cost us $347. And that was a big deal for us at the time. A big deal. So $347 later, we got our 100 units in the post, and they sold like hotcakes. We sold out so fast. We actually ran out of stock. We had to wait another 3 weeks, or I think it might have been 4 weeks actually, for the next batch of 100 to come in. So after we ordered the first 100, we ordered 100 again, then we ordered 100 again, and then we started upping it. We started ordering 500 units and then 1,000 units, and now we safely say we can order 1,000 units every single month, and they'll go. Like, they'll easily go. It's amazing. It's so exciting. Now, when we change products to this beautiful product over here, we actually changed supplier as well. And we didn't just change supplier, we also started using a sourcing agent. So someone who speaks Chinese, who can go and visit the factory, who just runs everything. And whenever we need a new batch, we just have to text him saying, hey, look, we need another 1,000. He'll go and order it. He'll sort out all the payments, everything. We don't have to touch anything. We don't have to talk to anyone really. And then the items go straight from the supplier all the way into Amazon, and we can start selling it. So it's become a really offhand business, which is exactly what we wanted to do. So the next thing we actually had to do was get sales, but I don't want to discuss that in this video because I want that to be for a part 2. Part 1 was just about what product we had and how we found a product that has made us £300,000. So if you want to see a part 2 on how we actually sold this product, let me know in the comments down below and I'll happily make that for you. And as well as a part 2, I was thinking about making a full Amazon FBA tutorial for 2021 and put it on YouTube. Now we have our course, so this tutorial won't be as big and extravagant as our course, but it will still give a lot of information. So let me know in the comments down below if that is something you want to see, just a step-by-step on how you can start an Amazon business in 2021. Let me know, and thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. And of course, let me know which knee brace you prefer. If you liked the new one more, give this video a like. If you like the old one more, then leave a comment. But I think I've asked you to leave way too many comments at this point, because I've asked you if you want a part 2, if you want a full tutorial, which one's better. Let's just leave it at this. If you want a part 2, leave a comment, and if you want a full tutorial, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was really fun to make, and I've actually procrastinated making it for a long time because I always didn't want to reveal my Amazon product, but you know, I think we're fine in Amazon. I'm not really nervous. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.